What up, everybody? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is your boy TRADERCHIEMENA. Yes, in our previous video, we talked about market structure. Well, a lot of you guys will still be asking, why is it complicated? Yeah, because someone messaged me and was telling me that, bro, can you please explain more on this structure? It's very simple. It's very simple. This is my MT5. You can see the background, how it looks like. And I remember I walked you guys through the app MT5. This is how my MT5 looks like. Right here now, I want to make a quick video and very quick video on how it works, right? This 1 hour time frame, the time frame is 1 hour. So what I am explaining on is based on the market structure. I want to elaborate more on the market structure, okay? Okay, this is a quick one. This is a quick one. This is a quick one. Okay, right here, right here. Let's look at this structure from this axis. You can see this path that I am, right? You can see what the market was doing. It was giving us a higher low, a lower low, right? A higher, a lower high, right? A lower low, lower high, a lower low, a lower high, a lower low. Then price kind of take this structure. You can see how the shift market structure and it quickly retrace. This is our main. Remember, this is a lower low, right? This is a lower low that was responsible for this move downward. So price did not take it, and look, the price just came towards to that zone, and I will be explaining more about this structure, what happened right here. I'll be explaining more in my next video. I just want to make this video very quick and short, okay? So price keep falling down. So let me take my tool and let's make it quick and snappy, right? Remember, I told you do not shrink price. Whenever you are drawing, do not shrink price. I don't want you to shrink price. You can't see what you are doing. This is market structure. You want to be able to read market structure. Look, we have this touch right here, we have this touch right here, and we have this one right here, right? So I can shrink it and start drawing it from this side. It looks somehow complicated. Remember, I told you have to have two major touches. So you see the third confluence is a nice one. Remember, the trade line is just your friend. So again, again, this is what happened right here. This is what happened right here. You can see what happened right here. You see what price was doing. Remember, I've taught us how to do this. I know somebody will be saying it's not possible to do this in MT5. I've taught you it in my previous video, so I don't want to waste much time on this. So it's very simple. You can go to my previous video and you will learn how I am able to manipulate both these. I can manipulate it, you see, now true. So it's very simple. So I've taught this, I believe I've taught this. This should not be new scene. So it's in my previous video, you can go and see how I do. I remove these arrows. Just have to click your control and you drag with your mouse. It's very simple. Okay, you hold the control and drag with your mouse. It's very simple. So without wasting much of your time, you remember this is our our lower high, is our lower high, and this is our lower low, and price retrace. Remember what is this called? This is called the breathing phase, right? Remember, we have the push phase and the breathing phase. The push phase and the breathing phase. So remember, this is the push phase and this is the breathing phase. Then we have this consolidation. Price was consolidating around that zone. You can see what price was doing. Price was really consolidating. Price was really consolidating around this zone before price later broke it. You can see when price broke, it came back to test it with some engulfing and pin back. It was right there. If you want me to, you see, we have this engulfing pin back, price still break in the lower time frame. This is a break of structure. This is the feeling of the other block right here. I'm going to explain all these scenarios that I am saying in my next video. I just want to make this video very quick and short so that we know what is happening. Remember, this was the our last high before this move over here, right? This is our last high. Someone from here might be saying that, okay, price has changed structure. Price has changed structure, taking this low, taking this our lower high, right? Because this lower high fails to sweep the lower low. So price has taken this our lower high right here, and now price has pushed to the up, right? And breathed, came back into this imbalance right here. This is a fair value gap. I'm going to explain all this in my next video. I promise you guys to explain all this so that we are able to combine all this and know how to trade in no time. I promise you, I've been trading for 2 years. Then this is a 2 years experience. I'm telling you guys the fact. This is a 2 years experience. I started trading 2022. So you can understand what I'm trying to say. This is a 2 years experience, and I really understand what I was trading after 6 good months. After 6 good months, that is when I even started understanding what trading is all about. My 1 year was even a waste. To me, I won't call it a waste because really I understand and I learn a lot. So without wasting much time, let's get into what I'm saying. So right here, you can see what is happening. You can see what happened over here. You see this is the push phase. Then we have this retracement, which this retracement over here. Then we have the push phase. Then we have the retracement. We have the push phase. That's the breathing phase and the push phase, right? You can see we have the push phase. Then price finally came to this. Remember, this is our sub. This is our main lower high. This is our main lower high that was responsible for this move. If you want to understand why I say that's our main lower high that was responsible for this move, I can switch this. I hope you guys are seeing. I hope you guys are seeing from here. Look at this. Look at this. I've switched this to the line charts, right? So that you can see what I'm seeing. Look at this right here. This is the main high. Let me use the crosshair. Look at the crosshair. You can see what I'm saying. You can see price never came into that. Price retest beneath it. Look at what price did. Price retested this structure over here. Look at, you can see, remember what is here, remember what is this. Price retested, this is just like a break and retest, right? But it is not a break and retest of structure, but it looks like a break and retest, right? It's there is an in momentum that was responsible for this, which is known as the breaker block, right? You understand? The breaker block, which that is what is responsible for here. That other block right there is what price came back to test. I promise to teach you guys both price action and ICT because of the truth, I know I dedicated my time to learn more of ICT. So without wasting more time, let me switch back to the candlestick. So you can see what we were saying right there. You can see what we were saying right there. Price came back over there. You can see what we were saying right there. Price came back over there. Retest that block. You can see. Retest that block right there. You can see. No, because we want to see price come back and refill this imbalance right here, this fair gap. So when price came back, it was reactive. Look, it was reactive. Candles was closing below. Candles was closing below. Price suddenly, you don't want to, maybe you that if you are that good, you might hop in from here and your stop loss will be at this lower high right here. The stop loss should be at this lower high right here. But if you are not that good, you want to wait to see for some trends, significance pattern, chart patterns, or any specific entry confirmation for you to jump into the video. So without wasting much of your time, let me keep moving ahead. Um, let's see if we can get another part of the lower higher high of the higher yeah, right here now. Look at what happened. I know you guys have seen this. This is a channel. Look, I traded this part, right? This is a channel. So you can see when price came here, I waited for it to came back over here till it touches this zone, giving me a nice confluence. I saw my entry pattern over this axis and I executed hitting to keep me down to this channel. You can see because I know this trade is a down trade because price has not yet taken this lower high. So why would I want to buy? Because price has not taken this lower high. Look at what price did here. Price never give us a new lower low right here. Right here, price never give us a new lower low. Price was just consolidating around this area. Around all this area, this is what we know as planting or chubby. Okay, this is what we know as cloudy or chubby market structures. You can see what price was doing. Price was just consolidating. Price just get tapped into it and rallied to refill all this imbalance right here. You can see when price refill all the imbalance right here. Yeah, it tapped in immediately and rallied below and start giving you that momentum which we want to see, because this is a truly a downtrend. We all know that this is truly a downtrend. So we want to see price reacting at that spot. So that was what happened. Price started coming down from that zone and start giving you what you really want to see, what you and I want to see. That was what happened. Then look at what happened when price tapped in again. This is our lower low currently. This is our lower low. Price sweep. This is our higher low. Sorry, price swept the lower low right here. This is the lower low. You can see this is the lower low, and price swept our lower low right here, and we have a new lower low right here. Price went up, rallied, failed to sweep this new lower low, giving us a higher high, and then rallied up. Look at what happened here when price swept this. What happened there? Look at what happened there. Price swept it and came back and test on the block, which is now known as our breaker, or yeah, which is now known as our breaker block, because it went above it and came back to touch it. You can see we have this significant green candle in the MT5. You will see all these stuff. I should zoom in so you can see what I'm saying. You can see that dodging candle right here. You can see it again. These dodging candles are very specific, and you only see them in the MT5 if your chart is something like this. Look at, I remember I've worked out how we did our charts to be something like this. And it's in the video. If you have not watched it, how you can do this is in the video. These are specific entry confirmations in model which you can use to enter into the trading block. So make a quick hash out of it. So without wasting more time, without wasting more time, see what happened there. See when it came back, that into it. We have a nice entry confirmation. We can all see them playing sweetly and price dive and started shooting up. This is USD JP1. Why I should use the JP1 for this analysis is because it respects structure and market analysis so well. So price change, and we have this what do we call it? Our higher low, our higher high, right? Right? Our lower, our higher low, our higher high, right? And look what happened here when price swept this higher high right here. When price swept this higher high, it came back to to retrace, right? And then we have this quick displacement right here, this push phase. Look at what happened after that push phase. Can you see what I'm seeing here? There is an imbalance which price came back to refill that imbalance a little. So there is way we measure this with our yeah, familiar with that tool called Fibonacci. I'm going to explain more about that in my next video. I just want to make this video very quick and sharp. Thank you for watching. I will see you guys in the next video. I believe is all for today, and I just want to elaborate more on what I was saying based on the market structure. And this is the ranging market. This is the ranging market. You can see this is the ranging market. But what price was saying is the ranging market, that axis. So without wasting much of you guys' time, thank you guys. If you're not subscribed to my channel, subscribe to my channel. Your boy TRADERCHIEMENA. If there is any video you want me to elaborate more, you can please say it on the comment section. I will do that right away. Peace out.